Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this video I am going to give one mini project. So here I am going to create a chessboard image by using Python code. So for that we have one library is there, that is Matplotlib library. So if you don't know how to install Matplotlib, check the description link. Okay, so first of all import Matplotlib. So import Matplotlib type pyplot as PLT. Now first of all create the data. We know that in a chessboard we have two colors are there. So one is black color, another is white color. So we know that according to binary data, so 1 indicates for white color and 0 indicates for black color. Okay, so data equal to, so I am going to take that data. So in a chessboard we have totally 8 rows and 8 columns are there. Now I am going to construct the data will be like this. So 1, so first of all I am taking the white color, 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0. So here we totally have 3 6 7 8. Okay, so this is first row. Now I want second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh row, eighth row. Okay, but in first row we have started with 1, nothing but white color. So in second row it started with 0, that means black color. So take as 0 and end with white color. Now similarly do that everything. Here 0 and here 1, okay, keep as this, and here we need to change. So 0 to 1. Now 1 is as it is, no change. Now here we need to change. So here 0 and here end with 1. Next 1. Okay, now last one will be, you start with 0 and end with 1. Now this is the data, required data. Now convert this data as image. Okay, so for that I am going to use IamShow method. So let's see here. So in plot we have IamShow method is there. So IamShow method, in that method I am going to pass the data and convert it as image by CMap equal to gray. So it produces a gray image. Okay, so for visualization I am going to save as figure. So plot, save as figure. So on the name of chessboard I am going to take, so chessboard, so with format of JPEG. Now run the code. So after code finish it will display here. Okay, now we got the image. Now open it. Now we got a chessboard. So white color, black, white, black, white, black. Okay, totally it will be there. But here I don't want this labels and tick marks. Okay, how can I remove this? So first of all make the ticks and labels are be false. So for that we have a method, that is, so before saving only apply this method. Okay, plot ticks params. Okay, so in the tick params we have, so this is a bottom data and this is left data, so make it as false. So left will be false and bottom also make it as false. As well as we have the labels are there. So that is label at left, make it as false, and label at bottom, make it as false. Okay, now the code is okay, in good condition. Now run the code. Now observe the image here. Okay, so there is no labels, but I want this image in PNG with the transparent background. How can I save this? So for that, just instead of JPEG, so mention that here PNG, please portable network graphics. So I want this PNG with transparent equal to true. So I'm going to new name here chessboard 1. So here already we have chessboard JPEG is there. Now run the code. You will get one more file in PNG format. Now open it. Now observe here the background is in transparent. Now we can use this image at anywhere by copying, okay, into any location. Okay, and this is a process of getting a chessboard by using Python code. Here no need to draw the diagram here. If you try to draw the diagram, so it may be inaccurate. Now it gives more accurate. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you guys.